Not sure how to use LinkedIn Premium for your job hunt? Start by reviewing job and company insights to learn how you stack up against other applicants. Here's how to do it. Click the jobs icon at the top of your homepage. Select the first job suggestion. Scroll down to the See How You Compare to Other Applicants section. You will see a gold bar that sets it apart. Keep in mind, this data only appears once the job has received at least 3 applicants. As this role has an easy apply option, you'll see how you compare to other applicants. If a job includes the apply option, you'll still see comparison data, but only from candidates who clicked apply. The difference? Easy Apply means candidates submitted their application directly on LinkedIn. Apply means candidates were redirected to an external website to complete their application. Let's return to our Easy Apply result and look at this See How You Compare to Other Applicants section. You can review the number of applicants, their seniority levels, and education backgrounds to help you decide if the job is a good fit. Next, explore the Company Insights section, including latest hiring trends and median employee tenure. But that's not all. Click More Premium Insights to access total employee count, employee distribution and headcount growth by function, recent hires and senior leadership changes, notable company alumni, and total job openings. These insights offer a snapshot of the company's health and growth, so you can see if it's the right match for you. Remember, any LinkedIn page with fewer than 30 employee profiles will not display premium insights. To explore more of your premium tools, simply scan the QR codes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and the article.